Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. In this video, uh, we are going to discuss the levels for this month, which are possible for this month, and we won't be looking at intraday levels, or you can say that weekly levels are also included in this monthly levels video. Let us start with June month, and from expiry perspective, from the first day to the last day, what has happened. Let us try to look at it first. Here if you see that this peak, if you notice this is somewhere around June 3rd. This was the beginning of the June series, being a Friday. So from here you can see, this is a daily chart I am talking about. From here Nifty fell and there was a huge gap down here, and it further fell and made a bottom somewhere here, and then there is some sort of recovery observed. So there's a huge, what do you call, 16,800 level, 600 to 700 800 level, and 15,200. So there has been a very big movement within the month. But if you look at it from the close, 15,750 to 16, around 1,000 points difference. So market is very, what do you call, volatile, and in intraday you're seeing both side moves. So on a weekly basis also there is a huge movement. So before we proceed further, let us have a look at larger time frame chart, that is monthly chart, not a weekly chart. So here it comes. Here you can see that these lower highs are anyway there, and these lower lows are continuously getting formed. So from here what can we expect? That is a bigger question. If you look at the pattern, so this is an inside candle to this red candle, and this is sort of a decisive candle closing. Though Nifty is here, it tried to breach this high, but it could not close above it. So it is still well within this body. So you can't say, unless this candle's body breaks out of this, you cannot say that it is going to be a positive sign. So what we can expect in this month, even if there is a bounce, considering this lower high formation, so we are not still out of the larger bear market. It means we are on the downtrend from a larger perspective. From a monthly and weekly perspective, we are still in the downtrend. You may see some positivity on a daily time frame chart, but the larger trend is still negative. Considering, keeping that in mind, we can limit our view on the upside around this level, and on the downside this level is also possible, and roughly you can say this level. So to be exact, which are the levels that we would be looking in this month? So on the top side, 15,900 first, followed by 16,030, 16,172 and 16,000 239. We are not keeping a view above this level for this month. The reasons we have already discussed. This lower high formation as well as the lower low formation is intact on a monthly and weekly time frame. So we are not going beyond. We are not expecting Nifty to go beyond 16,239. There may be a 30-40 points difference, but we keep 239 as the border for this month. So on the downside, which are the levels? 15,669, 15,500, 15,336, and 15,190. So for this month, we expect these levels both on the upside and the downside. So from where we are, if we reach this level in a week or so or 10 days, so it is a big opportunity for going short from this level. So it is on a larger perspective from weekly and monthly time frame, it is still a sell on rally kind of a market. So these levels are not meant for intraday for trading purposes, but these may act as a reference. See, the moment you cross the 1600 16,000 and reach somewhere around 16,170 to 200, so you can make use of these levels even on a daily time frame, and not to take on the long calls around that levels. So you may even make these levels use for your swing trading or intraday trading, whatever it is, as a reference marks. Those people who are doing strategies, so they can keeping these levels as their borders for the trade, they may plan their trades. So they may look to sell somewhere around those who are purely sellers. They may look to sell anything beyond 16,200 above. All calls they may consider for writing. And on the downside, 15,190, maybe 150 or 100 also, you can say 15,100 and below also you may look to write. Till this pattern is negated, we will consider that the market is sell and rally, and 16,150 200 levels we would like to go short without any doubt. So it is all about many times it so happens that you trade full time intraday, and at the end of the month it may so happen that say 20 days of profit days and 3-4 days of losses. Still at the end of the month, you may be in losses, or you may be at no loss or no gain position. You may be having 20 days of profit and 3-4 days of losses only, but the losses can be much bigger than the profits of a single day. So it is very important to keep the losses under control. To do that, one has to limit the losses by using stop loss orders or using the option strategies. So if anybody is interested, those who are having a capital of say more than 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs, and they don't want to trade each and every day, and they don't want to look at the screen all the time, and those who are working, they are doing their full-time job, and they just want to deploy a strategy and leave it till the expiry. So if anybody like that is interested in learning option strategies, who cannot afford the full time and who don't want to do intraday trading as it is very risky, so they please give provide your comments in the messages, or I can start making videos on option strategies with small risk amounts. So I'm open to that. And if I get some proper response from followers or the viewers, I would soon launch an educational series on option strategies. So that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.